Want to start blogging on your WordPress website but still don't have a blog page? Don't worry, because we'll teach you in 8 easy steps. The first thing to do to add a blog to your WordPress website is to add a new page. You can name the page blog or call it news and articles. It would be best if you remember to leave the text box empty. Your blog page is now ready to go public, so click on the publish button. Scroll down through the tabs on the left column until you find the settings section. Click on it and head to the reading settings. Once you are on the reading settings tab, hit on a static page. After that, from the drop-down menu under posts page, choose blog. Doing so helps determine where your blog feed would appear on your site. Enter the number of posts you want your site visitors to see once they head to your blog page. Click the Save Changes button. You can now start writing and publishing your first blog post.